Hey everyone, my name is Danielle Ray and I am a self-taught seamstress and pattern maker. And I thought I would hop on here and do a little vlog. I've never done this before, but I'm just starting to use YouTube more now and thought maybe this would be interesting to people who are getting into pattern making or into design or into sewing, whatever it is. And I guess walk you through a little bit of my day. Um, right now, I'm in the middle of a testing group, which means I've picked 42, I believe was the final count, 42 people to help me test my newest pattern called the Camp Coat, which is a unisex chore coat for the adventurous beginner, but mostly I would say it's an intermediate pattern because of all the details and intricacies. Oh my goodness. It's kind of early here. Um, but yeah, so this morning I started off by getting into my studio and uploading a new video tutorial that I made for it. It's the third tutorial that I've done, and if anyone has made video tutorials before, you know they take forever. So I finally finished my third iteration of the video and just uploaded it to YouTube, got it to all the testers, and then I also updated the instructions based on feedback that's been coming through. I got that out, and now I'm gonna finish some of the camp coats that I have been making as samples. And this is my studio, if you haven't seen it before. It's beautiful. My partner and I made it in our garage in February, and it's just been the most amazing space. I'm so in love. But I was gonna show you, so what I'm starting right now is finishing some of these camp coats that I've done. For samples, I'd get them all to a place where they needed like things at the end, like this one still needs the cuff sewn and the buttons put on. And then I have this sweet one here that also needs buttons, and this pink one, which needs buttons and cuffs. So I'm gonna go through and finish all these up because these will be for sale on my website once the pattern comes out. I like to do the pattern first and then sell all of my samples after. Also, you can see in the background, I love to watch anime while I sew. You'll get to know me. I'm really weird, but I'm rewatching Hunter x Hunter. If you've ever seen it, it's one of my favorites. So I usually put anime on in the background and then work. So I'll show you a little bit of the process. I'm gonna put some buttons onto this camp coat. All right, button time. I found these super sweet marine grade snap buttons from Seattle Fabrics, and they happen to be the most perfect color, like just absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna use these. And if you buy from Seattle Fabrics, they're like 20 cents, I think, a button. And they come, I got a lot, but they come with everything that they come with all the pieces. So I'm gonna do 5 buttons on this. Taking a little break because I just got some packages delivered. And they're blankets. I don't know which ones they are. I order a lot of my blankets, like, or quilts, wool jet blankets, all that kind of stuff off auctions. So I bid on them and then I win, which is fun. It's still like, it's like thrifting because you're still like working for it, but from the comfort of your own home. So let's see what I got. Ooh, okay, I know, this is a quilt. Oh, cool. All right, let's see, and a giant rubber band, which is actually very handy. Okay, let's take a look at it. Sick! Wait, this one's awesome! You see how a little closer? Wow, the colors are so good. It's like a cream, almost yellow, with dark, light, maroon, red. It is very cool. This is gonna make a super sweet camp coat. Very excited. I got one more package. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this. I think I got this. I think I paid like 25 bucks and then shipping. I think it was like 70 probably altogether. But wow, this is incredible. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited. Let's see, the brand on this, I gotta do some research on it. I don't know if I'm gonna, God, this looks like, let's see. It's in Chinese. I don't know what this brand is. I'm gonna have to do some Google Translate and look it up, but woo, 100% wool. It doesn't smell bad at all. Beautiful, beautiful design. Also, it's gonna look so sick as a camp coat, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, now I gotta sew these cuffs down. Oh no. I forgot that I had removed part of the thread. Oh no, it's coming through my machine. Let's see if it'll, I don't think it'll be enough to finish. But I guess we might as well keep going. Nope, that's it. That's all she wrote. All right, gotta rethread. That's it. All right, now I just have to trim everything. But it's kind of fun. If you want to cuff it, you get this like fun reveal, which I love. It's very lumberjack. Cute. I also wanted to show you that I finished the buttons. I did 4 on this guy, and then I ended up doing 5 on this one. This one is this is a lumberjack inspired one. Pretty sweet though, I'm pretty stoked on it. And then I made this one yesterday out of like a upholstery fabric, a Chanel, and I lined it with a flannel. It's very 70s suit jacket vibes. I love it. I guess I'll show you all of them. Why not? This is like one of the first camp coats I made. I made a matching one for my partner. And then this blue one was actually even an earlier iteration of the camp coat. You can see I was still trying to figure out some of the construction. I wish I would have waited because this color is incredible. But yeah, that's some of what I have right now. I'm gonna work on my website a little bit and then I need new tags, like Luray, you can't see me. I need new Luray handmade tags because my old ones are pretty outdated. So I think I'm gonna work on that. Let's do that now. Okay, so I need to create a new logo. This was my old hang tag. It looked something like this. That was like my first one ever. And then my second one ever, it looked like this. You can't really see it, it's kind of, but whatever. So I need to do something that kind of reflects what I'm doing now, which is this. Color codes. And well, you don't have to watch me do this. I'll show you when it's done. All right, I made a bunch of different versions. I don't know if I love any of them, but it's getting late and I'm tired, so I'm gonna be done for the day. I gotta go walk the dog who's laying down here nicely with his teddy bear, and I gotta make dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know and if I should keep doing them and show you my day-to-day as a pattern maker and seamstress, because I will. Why not? All right, cool. Happy sewing, y'all. Bye. So first I gotta serge. Alright, I made a bunch of different versions. I don't know if I love any of them, but it's getting late and I'm tired, so I'm gonna be done for the day. I gotta go walk the dog who's laying down here nicely with his teddy bear. And I gotta make dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know and if I should keep doing them and show you my day-to-day as a pattern maker and seamstress, because I will. Why not? Alright, cool. Happy sewing, y'all. Bye.